The 22nd of July, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, exactly 7 days from me having a heart attack. Had chores due today, had some bills to pay, things to drop off at the post office, had to get my hair cut. Decided to come up here and feed and water my birds. Start cleaning the green stuff out of the tomato patch area. That's what's in the wheelbarrow. Cut about 3/4 of a pound of okra. I'll double check before I go, make sure I didn't miss any that are mature. It's supposed to get rain at some point. Today, tomorrow, Wednesday. We shall see. Ain't holding my breath. It'll be spotty showers. That's probably what we're looking at. I can see some more okra to cut just sitting here. Now, got a doctor appointment Wednesday and a cardiologist appointment Friday. Don't feel good, don't feel like I'm on my last breath either. I did just have a heart attack. Real weak. But is what it is. You know, I'm trying to adjust all these heavy duty meds they got me on too. Cabbage is looking good. Got several. I'll be able to harvest here in another month. Really got to spray, but rain coming. Earliest I'll be able to spray will probably be Friday. That's okay. But still got to rake some more on the old tomato patch and get some of the tomatoes off the ground so I don't get a whole lot of volunteer tomatoes coming up. And it can happen. So all in all, not bad. So anyway, that's about all for this one. Thank you.